Hi, I'm Steve from 4QD. In this video we're going to take a look at the acceleration and deceleration ramps inside the Pro 160. And that means handing you over to our tame technical expert. Some say he overclocks his oven and that his tie is thermally conductive. All we know is he's called the North.
Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at ramp times and how you can use them to adjust the behaviour of your motor. The Pro 160 and the Pro 360 controllers offer highly adjustable ramp times, which give you precise control over the acceleration and deceleration in both forward and reverse directions. These ramp settings are key to tailoring performance to suit a wide range of applications. So what do ramp times do? The acceleration ramp sets the time that the controller takes to go from 0 to full power if the throttle is opened quickly. This delay in reaching full power helps to manage the motor's initial torque surge, ensuring a smooth and controlled power delivery. Conversely, the deceleration ramp sets the time that the controller takes to go from full speed to 0 if the throttle is shut quickly. This helps control the braking behaviour for a safer, smoother stop. Each ramp time can be set between 0.1 of a second and 30 seconds. The default settings typically range from 1 to 7 seconds, depending on the profile selected. You can adjust these settings in the forward and reverse settings section of the menu. Okay, this is all good and well, but what's the point? How do ramp times affect performance? The impact can be seen in 4 areas. Firstly, they affect the driving experience. Longer ramp times deliver a smoother experience ideal for large-scale models that aim to replicate realistic motion. Shorter ramp times provide a more dynamic and responsive feel, perfect for high-performance vehicles like go-karts that need quick acceleration and braking. Secondly, they affect motor current. Longer acceleration ramp times help control motor current by allowing the motor to build up speed gradually. This helps manage torque spikes, which could otherwise damage the motor or gear train. Thirdly, they can affect regenerative braking. Shorter deceleration ramp times can increase the regenerative braking effect when the throttle is closed, which can help recover energy. However, this can also cause the voltage across the controller to rise significantly during braking. The extent of this rise depends on your battery setup and wire thickness. It is important that the voltage rise does not exceed the rating of the controller or the rating of any lithium battery management system. There are 2 other settings that can be used to manage the regen current. The regen current limit setting can be used to set a limit to the regen current or force. The over voltage setting can be used to set an absolute voltage limit. Both of these settings automatically adjust the deceleration ramp time to ensure the relevant values are not exceeded. Do be careful though when using really short deceleration ramp times on vehicles like go-karts. If a short ramp time is used in conjunction with a mechanical brake, it is possible to generate high voltage spikes that the over-voltage software is not able to control. For this sort of application, we would highly recommend fitting a voltage clamp circuit across the battery. The exceptional team at 4QD will be designing one of these, and it will be released in due course. Keep an eye on the website and our YouTube channel for the details. Lastly, the deceleration ramp for the e-stop input deserves a special mention. For industrial machines and robots, it's best to keep the ramp time low for quick stops. However, for passenger carrying vehicles, a long ramp time might be suitable to ensure safety and comfort. That's all we're going to look at for now. We'll be going into more detail on things like battery voltage and current limit warnings in other videos. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more 4QD technical content. Also, let us know if there's anything specific that you'd like us to cover in other videos. Just leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.